Second, for row number 3, the girl 8 to 15.
Girl.
And the ladies are off.
That was awesome.